much for tuning into Amber Prop Designs. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different pour today using silicone. We're going to use the silicone separately and use this little tool to make amazing designs within the painting. So I'm just going to jump right into it. All the colors that I'm using, white, red, black, yellow, blue, are all Artist Loft. You can find them on the link below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that little bell and you will receive all the information on my videos. Now when I'm dipping an item in silicone, I always use my silicone mat here. It just kind of helps keep it contained. It's not as dirty. The canvas I'm using today is a 10 by 10, and we aren't going to put a base down yet. We are just going to put it in a cup. We don't want to get cells within the cup. That's not the point of this project. So I'm going to be just pouring it on there in kind of a fluid motion, not a flip cup. A flip cup will create cells. I want to have the least amount of cells possible. So let's get started.